I just made a pretty damn big mistake. There's a kickstand right here that comes down and rests on the frame. I left it too far down and it caught my fender right here and ripped my fender off completely. Put a nice groove in the tire, chipped the outside of the tire, and then this looks worse than it actually is, but I sliced the airbag just a little bit. Now Ashley's coming to bring me tools so I can take off this stay. That's a pretty big f up. And it was all my fault. I didn't pick it back up. Me and Ashley were arguing over getting this loaded, and I just wasn't paying enough attention, and I made a pretty big mistake, and this is gonna be a costly one. And there ain't nobody to blame but me. Man, I really hate messing up stuff when it's not mine. I feel stupid for doing it, you know? And it changes the whole mood of the day. I just sent Ashley home. It wasn't really her fault per se. I should have checked, should have looked it over, should have done something, you know, other than just going along with it. It's my truck, I'm in charge, she's just helping me. So I can't blame her for a second. And then I end up completely tearing the fender off and hurting the truck. And just stupid. Should have paid more attention, should have double checked. And now I'm gonna feel bad about it all day and probably all next week, and it's gonna end up costing Ben money, and I really hate doing that. You know, I get stuff happens from time to time, and that's fine up to a certain point, but still, you know, perfect employee is not going to do any of that. Perfect employee is going to just be able to run equipment and never hurt anything and never really cost them any money, and you know, every once in a while stuff will happen. Now this is like the fourth thing that's been more than a couple $100 to fix.
Go away.
You want to know every man's worst question they have to ask? Where do you want to eat?
Chick-fil-A.
Too expensive. Pick another one.
Little Caesars.
No, absolutely not.
I don't know. See? Chicken or pizza?
So the best way to do it is to give them 3 options. I'm thinking of 3 places I would want to eat at. What is it?
Probably a taco truck, but I don't want tacos.
So what are the 3 places I'm thinking about eating at?
Wow.
So give me 3 of them.
Taco truck. McDonald's. Or Quiznos.
And then take them to the second one.
Nope.
So we went to Chick-fil-A. She got up.
How y'all doing?
Hey, just cruising around as usual.
Yeah, something to do, man.
Yeah, we're
It's
gonna.
100 degrees right now.